हाँ बोल बोल जो बोलना बोल.
We'll try to calculate the ascendant for today. The particulars are as follows. Time of birth is 14 hours 57 minutes, that is 2 in the afternoon. Date of birth is 7th of December 2014. Place of birth is Delhi. Very first step is to take the sidereal time correction on 7th of December 1900 at 12 hours. These values you'll be able to find it in the table of ascendants, page 2, table 1. And the values that we derive is 17 hours 2 minutes 17 seconds. Then we make the correction for the year 2014, which you'll get from table of ascendants, page number 4, table 2nd. Second step is to do the correction for the place. These values again you will get from table of ascendants, and it starts from page 100. You have to locate the place of birth. For example, over here it is Delhi, so we'll have to locate it, and you can find it on page number 102, Delhi. Go in the column called correction to Indian sidereal time, and the correction is 0 minutes 3 seconds plus 0 minutes 3 seconds. So we'll add the value 3 seconds to the above figures. This will help us to give the value A. The value A comes as 17 hours 3 minutes 25 seconds. The second step is we'll take the values from the time of birth. The time of birth, as we know earlier, is 14 hours 57 minutes. Then we'll make the LMT correction to these values. The LMT correction for Delhi is given in the tables of ascendant, page number 100. You have to locate Delhi and find out the LMT correction. It is available on page number 102, and the LMT correction is minus 21 minutes and 8 seconds. We'll subtract this value from the time of birth. After that we make plus minus 12 noon correction. If this figure is above 12, we subtract 12 from it, and if this value is below 12, we subtract this value from 12. So over here 14 is bigger than 12, so we'll subtract 12 from 14, and this is the value that we derive. After that we have to take the increased time interval values, which is available on page number 5 of table of ascendants, table 4. So as we know that the hour value is 2 hours, so we have to locate 2 hours in the table. 2 hours correction is 20 seconds and 35 minutes. So minutes are given over here. So 35 minutes is not given. We'll have to take the figure which is close to 35. So 36 is more closer, and the correction is plus 6 seconds. So over here we add 20 seconds for 2 hours and 6 seconds for 35 minutes. As both of them are plus, so we'll add these value to the above figure, and then we get the value B. Now as we know that the time of birth is PM birth, it is not an AM birth. As it is an evening birth or a PM birth, we'll add the value A into B. A value that we derived earlier in the slide 1 was 17 hours 3 minutes 25 seconds. To this we add 2 hours, the B value, 2 hours 36 minutes 18 seconds, and thus we'll get a sidereal time value which is 19 hours 39 minutes 43 seconds. The sidereal time derived before by adding value A to value B is 19 hours 39 minutes 43 seconds. Now we require the latitude of Delhi, which is available in table of ascendants. The latitude is 28 degrees 39 minutes north. Now we'll go to page number 48 of table of ascendants, which gives us the values for Delhi. Over here we'll identify 19 hours column. As we can see, this is 0 hours, 3 hours, 6, 9, and the minutes are given over here. So we'll locate the 19 hours column, which is this, and the minutes that we have is 39 minutes. 39 minutes falls between 36 and 40 minutes. So we'll take values for these two figures. So at 19 hours 40 minutes, the value is 0 sine pass 11 degrees 32 minutes, and at 36 we have 0 sine pass 10 degrees 14 minutes. So as we can see, 1940 pe we have the figure, and 1916 we have the figure. We have to subtract these two figures and we derive this value. Now 1 minute over here means 60 seconds, so we take 60 plus 18, that gives us 78. Secondly, we have to subtract 1916 from 1939, so we derive the residual value of 3 minutes 43 seconds. 3 minutes is equal to 180 seconds plus 43, that is 223. We multiply 223 into 78 and divided by 240. Why 240? 240 because the difference between these two figures is 4 minutes, and 4 into 60 will be 240 seconds. So therefore we get 223 into 78 divided by 240. The figures that we get is 72.475. So we will multiply this 0.475 into 60, that will give us 0.28. So the value, the difference that comes for 1938 and 1936, the difference is the 72.28. Now we add this 72.28 into the value of 1936, that is 0 sine pass 1014. So 0 sine pass 1014 00 seconds. We add 72 minutes 48 seconds to it, and thus we get the value 0 sine pass 11 degrees 26 minutes 48 seconds. From this we make the Aynansha correction that you will get on page number 6 of table of ascendants. Go to 2014, the year 2014, and you get minus the sign over here, minus 0 degrees and 4 minutes. Sorry, 1 degree 4 minutes. So when we subtract this from the above figure, we get the value for ascendants, that is 10 degrees 22 minutes. So the ascendant is Aries, and the degrees at which the ascendant is rising is 10 degrees 22 minutes.